Being out in nature is one of the most beautiful things you can do. It's relaxing as well as breathtaking. The sounds are beautiful. Let's see if we can hear the leaves moving that are way up there. Hopefully you could hear it, but if not, then take it upon yourself to find a park or just go outside if you have trees around you on a windy day and just go listen to it. Just go listen to the leaves. Listen to them move as the wind passes through them. It's so, so beautiful. So, so beautiful. And of course, you know, we have our sirens in the background. If you can hear it, a little reality just struck. Come back down. No, but seriously, it's beautiful. Take a minute out, enjoy yourself, be outside with nature, and just enjoy yourself. Just enjoy yourself. I mean, there's a lot of beauty in this. So at the moment, I'm way on this side, but I will quickly walk over to where the water is splashing against rocks as well as falling off of the rocks. And it's just so, so beautiful. Let's see if I can get to it. This is peaceful. This is what relaxation looks like. This is what taking a moment out for yourself looks like. Self-care. Beautiful. Sound of peace. Sound of peace. Noticing the breathtaking roots of the trees doing their own thing above the water. Just beautiful.